Oh, I'm having fun cleaning this up and restoring it. Quite a gem. I did work on it a couple years ago. Got the magnetic chuck working. Used to take vacuum tubes, but I replaced. No, I did. Yeah, I repaired that right there. So it works great. I added these parts to it just for storage or use it maybe. It's got a light vacuum cleaner in it. I was working on it today, just getting some of the goo off of it. Thank you, Inventor 3. Paul Hobbit. Amazing. The stuff I have found to be so useful and fun to restore and that, so many thanks. This guy works great. They all work great now. Really happy with it. Not really, EVO. Even Mr. EVO approves. Don't you, Mr. EVO? You approve? Mr. EVO, you approve? Did you go for a ride? Did you go for a ride today? Did you see Piper? Did you see Heather? So what are you doing here today? Are you having fun? Where's John? I'm here. Go for a ride? No. He's always very attentive, aren't you, Mr. EVO? So, I just wanted to show that off to Inventor 3. Isn't that right? He's a real cool guy. He's got a lab, too. Now let's close the door. Beautiful sunny day. Warm, too. It feels hot. Anyway, off I go.